planner friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. So this week I am thinking of different themes, and the first one that I thought of was to do pineapple because on Tuesday the 20th it is National Pineapple Upside Down Cake Day, and I have a whole bunch of pineapple themed stuff, including these washi tape, and I thought they were super cute, so I want to be able to use them. And I do have some pineapple themed stickers. I looked in a whole bunch of my books and I found that there are quite a few of them in here. And I also have this collection of sticker sheets that I got on clearance, and they have some pineapples in here too. So I thought this would be kind of cute to use, and also these stickers do have that gold in them, and that is going to match some of the washi tape that I have. Now I did think about doing a couple of different themes too. Like Monday is National Garlic Day, so I've got garlic written on here. And also there is Picnic Day at some point this week on Friday the 23rd, National Picnic Day. So I thought of doing those two, but then I decided against it because I don't really know what to do with a garlic theme. And for National Picnic Day, there is another picnic day coming up in the summer. So I think I'm gonna save that. And also I just really want to use some of these washi tape that I have. So let's see what I can come up with. I wanna keep it kind of simple. I wanna try using a bunch of washi tape, but you guys know me, I'm not that good at it. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so after looking at everything, I realized it's all black, white, and gold, and only one little tiny thing in this is pink. So I also picked out some of my pink washi tape. This one is kind of cool. It's got a little bit of gold in there too. So I'm gonna see if I can make this guy work somehow. And then these are some other just matchy pink colors. I think probably this one goes best with everything, so it might just be these two, and the colors do match fairly well. So let's see what I can do with it. I do have some other stickers on this page too, so maybe I can incorporate a couple of these in here as well. Alright, so this isn't exactly what I was thinking when I first thought of doing a pineapple theme, but honestly I kind of like it. So I used some of the pineapple washi tape, and I cut it up individually for kind of like little check boxes of things that I need to do. Friday through Saturday we have a class that we are teaching, so that's why I put that at the very top. And I know on Monday I've got a lot of stuff going on, and the rest of the days are kind of not very planned out. And also on the days that I teach, which is going to be Saturday and Sunday, I really don't do anything other than teaching, because I teach for like 10 hours. And after I'm done, actually it ends up being like 12 hours. And after I'm done, I am just kind of completely exhausted. So sometimes I'll make dinner, sometimes I just kind of submit all of my reports and just fall asleep. So that's why I decided to kind of cover it up quite a bit. And then the coffee, please, because I just drink so much coffee during the days that I teach, because I have to talk for 10 hours. So it's definitely, coffee definitely helps. So something I'm thinking of doing is, because the top is very not colorful, I'm thinking maybe I'll put some of this washi tape in the middle, or maybe some pineapples, or maybe some washi and pineapples. And most of the washi that I use, it is very shiny and kind of slippery, I guess. I don't know how to say it. Like this one, it's a paper washi and it's very papery, and this one is very kind of like wax paper almost, like it's very shiny and I can't really put anything on top of it. And that's what I tried doing here. Is I was thinking of doing this washi, just kind of have a whole bunch of lines going across and on top of each other, but it didn't stick, so it looks a little bit strange right here. Maybe I'll fix that. If it bothers me, I don't think it actually will. So, I feel like there's a lot of black towards the bottom here, so maybe I'll do individual black pineapples up on top. Like maybe cut them out individually, or maybe like a couple at a time in between all of the different numbers. Oh, and actually I have, so I didn't really use this one too much, or maybe I should do this underneath all of the numbers. Yeah, like that. Okay, there we go. I got my idea. Let's do that. Okay, so I didn't like the pineapples in the middle. So I think this is going to be it. I am pretty sure this is the finished product. I am pretty happy with it. We'll see how it is when it comes to actually writing in here. Again, I don't really have a whole lot of things planned, and since I do work on the weekend, I know other than the work thing that I'm going to put up on top, I really won't use the rest of the space. And Monday has plenty of writing space because I know I will be busy on Monday. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this spread and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.